Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how you can take a macro photo on your iPhone 17 Pro Max with the latest iOS 26 update. So let's get started. So as you can know that the iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max has triple camera sensor, so you can actually take proper macro photos. And to do that you simply go to the camera app and then you want to go to the wide angle lens. In order to do that, you just select the wide angle lens, which is the 0.5 lens. And when you have selected, you can get as close as you want with these lenses. As you can see, I'm getting closer and closer to that particular object and it still keep on everything in focus. Now, if you are that close, you can take macro photos, and keep in mind that you can only use the macro photos with your wide angle lens. Other lenses are not going to be supported with the macro lens. So guys, this is basically how you can take macro photos on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.